Well, the cold weather has been significantly impacting the lives of Erie's homeless population, and shelters are saying that they've seen an increase in services. The Upper Room helps over 45,000 homeless people every year, and it hosted its annual Blizzard of Blankets today. Matt Mathias has a report.
It's one of the largest coat and blanket drives in the city of Erie, running strong for 27 years. The Upper Room, located at St. Paul's United Church of Christ, has recognized a need for winter necessities this time of year and is looking to help people in the Erie community.
There's a lot of homeless people in Erie, probably more than we've seen in recent years. And the advantage is that right now the need is greatest that we've seen. We've been buying and from donations that we've received, handing out blankets and coats already, and boots and winter hats and gloves for the last 2 weeks.
Roughly 3 dozen volunteers helped to organize donated items into 3 rooms filled wall to wall and floor to ceiling with coats and blankets. One board member says that this should be enough supplies for the nonprofit to get through to next winter.
This is one of the coldest years that we've actually done this, as far as, on the day of the event. So it's a pretty clear example of what the need is. Oftentimes in November we're still having a little bit better of weather. So today is as good of a day as it can be to show what the need is. The staff is organizing it, and they'll be taking care of, this should be enough supplies to get us all the way through till next winter.
Blankets and other items will be distributed when requested by individuals in need all throughout the winter season, free of charge. With the weather turning for the worse these past few weeks, the Upper Room says that it is important to keep every community member in need as safe and as warm as possible. Matt Mathias, Jet 24 Action News.